not just taking notes, we're not just sitting down and learning. We're actually, like, the first day you get here, you're grabbing a camera, you're sitting down in front of it, and you're filming TV shows.
There are all sorts of people. Some people like to be in front of the camera, some people like to be behind it, the same with a microphone, and you learn both the front and back end of how everything is put together here, from video production to audio production, and that is absolutely essential.
The confidence that I'm able to get through the professors here on campus is sort of correlated with just overall experience. The fact that we're all sort of driven by this medium, this passion.
What I've found teaching here at LBCC is that all the students that I come across have this real collaborative nature to them. They're real excited to be in this program.
I mean, the culture is we're here to learn. We're here to learn the inside of the business, how it works, how you're supposed to treat others, and how you're expected to be treated as well when you go onto the field later on.
They like working with all the equipment we have here. They like the projects that we assign to them.
Yeah, the equipment here is very professional grade. It's easy to use, easy to learn.
4K cameras, you know, everything's pretty much up to date for high def.
Yeah, I came in thinking I was gonna be in the background working a small camera, like on my phone, creating projects, but all of a sudden I'm behind the camera filming a whole football game.
I think they know they're getting a really good education that's going to prepare them for the future.
The more you take here, the more you're going to want to do, and the more you're going to set yourself up for later on.
I can fully say that it prepared me to do bigger things than I ever thought I could.
If you're looking to further your career in radio and television, LBCC is a great place to start.